Hey y'all, it's Lonnie and I'm back again with another video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, push the notification button because you definitely do not want to miss another video. So I already did the nail prep, but if you need to see all the steps to nail prepping, I will be uploading another video showing you step by step on how you should prep your nails, so stay tuned for that. Y'all, please be careful because I definitely messed my nail up, but I'm gonna fix that in a minute.
Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me, and I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Don't got girl. Don't got girl.
So you will need a UV light in order to use this top coat, but this is optional, so you really don't need it. But I decided to use it to allow the nail polish to stay on longer. first time attempting a French tip, so yeah. But I did good though.
So mama, I gotta make you see this is then just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me, and you gotta feel me, and I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl.
I added the red over the glitter to give it an effect, but you could barely see the glitter.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to stay high, but I'm just way too shy.
I made this, y'all. I wanted to get like that pom-pom look, but I didn't have the pom-pom. I'm so creative. Like, it's a little skimp, but it's okay because my nails are short.